resistance level. Conversely, for a sell signal, your stop loss should be just above the resistance line, and the take profit target should be around the nearest support. Keep in mind that while this indicator can be quite helpful, it might not always yield perfect results. To avoid most false signals, remember to follow the tips I shared earlier. Give this strategy a try, and let us know how it goes for you in the comments section. Alright, folks. Get ready to learn about an awesome new indicator called Smart Money Concepts by LuxAlgo, which has claimed the top spot for perfect price action indicators. This indicator has loads of useful features, like real-time labeling of internal and swing market structures. It can identify break of structure, BOS, and change of character, CHOC. It also spots bearish and bullish order blocks, equal highs and lows, fair value gap detection, previous highs and lows, and discount zones. Let me break it down for you in simple terms. When the price action crosses and closes above the most recent resistance level, it's a change of character signal. This indicates a potential long trade entry. But for stronger entries, we look for a break of structure, which happens when the price action breaks above the most recent swing high after the change of character. Let's see an example. If the price is in a downtrend, and then we see a bearish change of character label, it suggests a potential short trade. But to confirm a stronger entry, we wait for a break of structure, where the price crosses and closes below the most recent support level. The reason we avoid taking trades at a change of character is that they're quite early entries. We prefer trade continuations with break of structure signals, as they tend to be more reliable. I personally backtested this indicator along with other tools, and it gave me a win ratio of over 75%. So I highly recommend giving it a try. If you have any ideas to improve the win rate even further, feel free to share them in the comments. Oh, and here's a little trick I know to increase the win rate for any indicator. Add a good volume indicator. This can help filter out many losing trades and improve your overall results. So go ahead and explore these fantastic indicators. Remember, understanding market trends can lead you to better trading decisions.